These are my favorite camera tips and tricks on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Number 1, how to use the burst mode. We're going to open the camera, and as you know, tapping on the white button is going to allow you to take pictures. But if you drag down on the button, that will activate the burst mode and it will take a series of pictures up to 100 in a few seconds. Number 2, if you want to launch your camera no matter what you're doing, even if the screen is off, all you have to do is tap the power button 2 times, just like this. No matter what you're doing, it'll unlock the phone, whether you're in an app and you're already doing something or your phone is off and has a passcode. If you double tap that power button, it's going to wake the phone up and take you right to the camera, thus allowing you to never miss any important pictures. Number 3, here's how to turn up the video recording quality to 4K or even 8K. You're going to go to the camera. In the upper right corner, tap on the icon, not all the way to the right, but one to the right. When you select that, it'll bring up a menu and it'll show you all the different recording options. UHD is the 4K setting, and you can toggle between 30 frames and 60 frames, or you can jump all the way over to 8K to record in the highest quality possible. Just keep in mind when you record in 8K, not many people have 8K TVs to be able to show the video in its full quality. So I'm going to hit record, and we're just going to record a quick video in the full 8K resolution. And then after, I want to show you how to take a file that large and actually be able to send it to yourself or anyone. And now a quick shout out to today's sponsor, Magbak. I've got the Magbak case on my phone right now, and this thing is tough. It's slim, minimalistic, and built to protect with raised corners and a 6-foot drop test rating. Your phone is going to be safe and secure in this case. And it's got strong embedded magnets to let you stick it to any metal surface. That's right, your car, the fridge, even gym equipment, no problem at all. You'll also get a mag stick in the box for easy car mounting. Enjoy your phone in the portrait and landscape position. And if you're like me and don't want to carry a full wallet, check out the Magbak wallet. It snaps right onto your phone case, holds a few cards, and even has a built-in finger loop for extra comfort and support. Plus, it doubles as a stand for your phone as well. You gotta love that. Use the link below and code H2TV for 15% off your Magbak case and accessories. Okay, let's talk about how to share that large 8K file with your friends or sending it right to your computer. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the gallery, and we're going to find that video that we recorded. Now before we share it, I want to hit the little I button because I want to show you how large this file is. So this was an 8-second video in 8K, and it's 66 megabytes, which is way too large to send over text or over email. So this is one of the easiest ways, again, to be able to share this file out. So now let's hit the share button, and from there we're going to tap on quick share in the bottom left corner, and then tap on QR code or link. From there, it's going to give you a link. You're going to tap copy link. And what's going to happen is it's going to upload that video to the cloud temporarily, and it will give you a shareable link that you can send to yourself to access the file from a computer, or send it to any friends or family. And anyone with that link will be able to download that video in about 48 hours. The link is live for 2 days and then it expires. So this again is just one of the easiest ways to share out a really large video file. For this next tip, I'm going to show you how to take a handwritten grocery list, take a picture of it, save it into your notes app, and turn it into a checklist for when you're at the store. The first thing we're going to do is open the camera. We're going to line up the post-it in our camera, but we're not going to press the normal picture button. We're going to tap on the little T. This T comes up whenever you have text in the camera sights, and it will allow you to capture that text and interact with it. You'll get 3 options once you select that T. One option is to scan the picture. You can also just copy the text by selecting the copy all button, or you can tap the add to note button, and that will take it, throw it into your Samsung Notes app, and then allow you to interact with that text. So right now I have all the items on my shopping list, and with a few tweaks, I can actually add a checkbox next to each item and turn it into an interactive list where I can then check off the items when I'm at the store. So super cool and super convenient. Next up, I'm going to show you how to use the S Pen to control your camera. There's a list of different gestures and commands you can do simply using your S Pen. The first one is holding down the button and just making a swipe to the left or to the right gesture, and that will allow you to toggle between the camera and the video recording. So super convenient there. Next up, you can simply tap the button when you're in the camera to take a picture, and if you hold down on the button when you're in the camera, it will start the burst mode, which takes multiple pictures at one time. We talked about that earlier in the video. If you're on the video recording menu, you can press the button to start recording a video, and then you can hold the button to pause the video, and then hold it again to unpause it, and then tap to simply stop the video. Now you can also hold the button and spin around in a small circle. It'll actually allow you to zoom in or zoom out on your video or your pictures as well. Now this next one is super fun, and this is being able to take pictures with your voice. So there are a series of hot commands that will allow you to take pictures or even record a video just using these commands. The first one is going to be capture. The second one is going to be shoot. The third one is cheese. The fourth one is shoot. Now, if you want to record a video, you simply say record video, and then it will start recording the video. Now, these are super fun, so you definitely have to remember them because they definitely are a head turner when you're around friends and family and you're getting ready to take a picture. Now, moving on to our last tip. This one is going to be a really cool feature called Director's View, which lets you record a video using the front and rear camera. So what you'll need to do is open the camera, tap on the More button, and when you get there, you're going to tap on Director's View. And once you open it, you simply hit record, and it has a pop-up of the front camera in the upper right corner, and in the rear, you're basically recording out of the rear camera. And so the cool thing is, this is great for like vlog style video where you're wanting to be on camera but also show what you're doing. You can also tap on that little white bar in the middle right above the record button, and that will let you switch between the different rear cameras. So you can switch between the wide angle camera or the macro camera. So super fun feature, and you can find so many uses for this feature. All right, guys, so this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you found all these tips helpful. Do me a favor, drop in the comment section down below what tip was your favorite, or what tip did you know about and do you use frequently? I'd love to hear that in the comment section down below. Also, I'm going to drop that coupon code as well on screen, H2TV. Make sure you click that link in the comment section down below to check out all the cool cases and accessories they have, and jump on that coupon code while it's active. If you haven't already done so, make sure you hit that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button, and check out this other video I just did on this really cool power bank charger that is shaped like a vintage pager. I actually take this out with me everywhere I go, and it's been really great charging my iPad and my phone simultaneously. So definitely check out that video and check out this other video as well. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.